Yeah, good evening, friends. The another part of important bits. So match the columns and identify the correct options. There are column 1 and column 2. P is equal to 1, F is equal to, P is equal to, F is equal to 1, P is equal to 3, F is equal to 0, and phase rule. And 1, 2, 3, 4, there are the column 2. The right option is A3, B4, C1, D2. Option T is the right answer. So please cross verify that. So if you want more details, you can just pause the video and find out the right answer. So here I am just read out all the question and answers. So another question, match the two lists and select the correct option. There is a list 1 and list 2, the ABCD and 1, 2, 3, 4, polythene, PVC, polytetrafluoroethane, that is the Teflon and polystyrene, and list 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, vinyl chloride, ethylene, vinyl benzene, and tetrafluoroethylene. So option 2 is the right answer. A2, B1, C4, and D3. So which of the following is not a permanent hardness causing salts? So there are three, that is sulfates, nitrates, bicarbonates. In out of three, there is a which is not a permanent hardness causing salts. That is option 4, 3 only. It is a bicarbonate. That is a temporary hardness causing salt. So another question, that what are the methods for preventing corrosions? We already covered this. Yeah, there are four options. So sacrificial anodic protection method and radiation method and improvement current cathodic protection method. There is a 2 is the right answer. There is a 2 options is right methods to which is prevent the corrosion. That is one option. Option 2 is the right answer. That is 1 and 3. Sacrificial anodic protection method and impressed current cathodic protection methods, which is preventing the corrosion. And another question, the degrees of hardness of water may be expressed in parts per million, Clark's degrees, or French degrees. So option 3 is the right answer. All the degrees express the hardness of the water. And another question, statements colloidal particles are moved in a dispersion medium as a zigzag manner. Assumption 1, assumption 2, there is a 2 assumptions. Assumption 1 is bombarded of colloidal particles by the dispersion medium particles. Assumption 2, colloidal particles are heavier than the molecule of dispersion medium. So right answer is option A. Assumption 1 and 2 follows. And match the columns and identify the correct options. Again, there is a column 1 and column 2. Cathodic, column 1, cathodic protection, ABCD, cathodic protection, B, protective coatings, C, alloy, D, inhibitors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is protecting metal surfaces by applying a layer of paint of corrosion resistant material. 2 is introducing another metal into the alloy to enhance the corrosion resistance. Option column 3 and 3, that is 3, applying a sacrificing anode to prevent the corrosion. 4, adding chemicals to the environment to decrease the corrosion rate. So option 1 is the right answer. That is the matches A3, B1, C2, D4. So another match the following list 1 and list 2. List 1 is all the vitamins and list 2 is the their respective terms. So vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, hemorrhage and night blindness and rickets and antioxidants. So right answer is A2, B3, C4, D1. The right matching the right answer, matching the codes. And another matching list 1 and list 2, cloud colored glasses, blood and star solution, which is come under the colloidal topic. List 2 is the solid sol, emulsion and sol fog. The option right match is option 1, A4, B3, C2, D1. And another list and another match the following list 1 and list 2, rust scale colgan kerosene. And here NaPO3 taken 6, CaSO4, colloidal conditioning, and Fe2O3 XH2. I think you know this very well. The option 4 is the right answer. That is A4, B2, C1 and D3. So another matches, polarigram contains which of the following portion? 1, 2, 3, 4. One is the residual current, diffusion current, limiting current, and off wave potential. Off wave potential. The right answer is for option 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are containing polarigrams portion. And another following matches enzymes and their sources: invertase, urease, lactic acid, mitochondria, and their sources chalk beans and curd, vinegar, and yeast. So right answer is option 2, A4, B1, C2, D3. So another question, assumptions, assumption 1 and assumption. It is due to hydrolysis of lipids into glycerol and free fatty acids. Assumption 2 is it is due to the reduction of fats. The right answer is assumption 1 and 2 follow. It is due to the hydrolysis of lipids into glycerols and free fatty acids, that is due to the reduction of fats. So another list, vitamin K, D, C, A, the list on their respective terms: vision, immune function, bone health, and blood clotting. The option 2 is the right answer. A4, vitamin K is blood clotting, B3, vitamin D is bone health, and C2, vitamin C is immune function, D1, vitamin A is vision. And read the following statements about the structure of enzymes and pick the correct combination. Active site is the region of enzymes at which reaction occurs. 2 is cofactor is an organic element essential for functioning of enzyme. Flavin mononucleotide is a prosthetic group of enzymes. So option 1 is the right answer. 1 and 3 are correct. 2 is incorrect. Cofactor is an organic element essential for functioning enzyme is incorrect. So match the two lists and select the correct answer using the codes gives below. List 1 and list 2, which is come under lubricant topic: tractor rolls, railway tracks, and light cutting machines, graphite, oil emulsion, greases. Sorry. So right matching option is 3, that is A3. Tractor rolls is the greases, B1 railway tracks and graphite, and C2 light cutting machine is oil emulsion. Statement hardness always expressed in terms of equivalent of CaCO3 calcium carbonate, that is calcium carbonate equivalent simplifies calculation. Assumption 2, calcium carbonate molecular weight is 100. This is you know the variable, that is assumption 2 is calcium carbonate is 100. So CaCO3 equivalent to simplify the calculation also. So option 1 is the right answer. Assumption 1 and 2 follows. So match the two lists and select the correct answer using the codes given below: wood, LPG, crude oil, gaseous fuel, solid fuel, liquid fuel. The right answer is 2, option 2, that is A2, wood belongs to solid fuel, B1 LPG belongs to gaseous fuel, C2 crude petroleum belongs to C2. There is a mistake in this. C. Crude petroleum is a liquid, C3. So C3, 213. Yeah, option 2, there is a mistake, 213. So this 213, right answer. So next statement 1, in an electrolytic cell, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Statement 2 is in a galvanic cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So statement 1 and 2 correct. Okay, in electrolytic cell, electrical energy converted into chemical energy. In galvanic cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. And another following list 1 and list 2: CaCl2, MgCl2, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. The right answer is A4, CaCl2 calcium chloride, B3 MgCl2 magnesium chloride, C2 calcium sulfate, and D1 magnesium sulfate is the right answer. This is all for today.